Hello and welcome back. Today is CB Saturday, not because Saturday, but I had so many projects still lying around. I still have here the two Skylines. I just want to see if these are still working, and if they work we adjust, and then that's it. I had a lot of CBs I acquired over the years because I had one myself. I have one of those in the past myself, or it was just a good deal, or I just thought, that is a really nice device and it deserves a lot better. And these I didn't have myself before, except for Skyline, but you saw already in my other video. And these I just thought, okay, if I clean these up and fix them up a bit, then they deserve a new life. So that is what I'm going to do now. And if you think, he made so many movies about frequency counters, and if you like that, no worries. I have more here. I have still the PicTech, the Victor, and all the HP. And of course from the Chinese website, the 8-digit one. It goes up to a few gigahertz, but not today. So we're just gonna start. So let's start first with the President. It's a KP44. It's a 22 channel, 500 milliwatts. And yeah, the Presidents are very wanted. This one is a little bit different than the others because this one has a 4-pin microphone, and that microphone is also still hard to find. It looks almost like one from a Hi-Com or a Major, and it has the 4-pin, but it really says President. So in that sense this is kind of a rare set. And yeah, the other microphones of President, this one you will find most, I think. They have the 6 look, the 6-pin. Will it focus? Well, you see, it's more pins than one. And this one could just be from a Philips, but it says also President, and it also has the 6-pin. But yeah. So we already cleaned it. It was in one of my other videos, but now I'm just going to be sure that it is perfectly on frequency, that it receives well, that S meter is giving the proper value, and of course we need to do something about this terrible power cord like this. So I will put some new cable in a shrink wrap so it will look again, and then it can find a new owner. Yes, and I wanted to show you something else, and I saw that in a video from someone else, and I immediately needed to have it, but it came from China, so it took a little bit. It is just your standard PL or VHF connector, but on this side, you know, it's also, but it has no thread. It just slides on, so that means you can put your normal cable here, and like me now, I change a lot my radios, and then you constantly need to screw, but this is just, you just push it on and it's stuck. So I have that here now on my cable on the Marconi, and you just slide it on. It is great. So if you do a lot of work on the radio, try to find these. They are great. So that looks a lot better. Proper cord, and now we're gonna adjust. Okay, now I put on channel 11, and then I'm trying to get the most of the power, because I do in the middle, and then channel 11 is maximum power. Then I check also if it's not too much of a difference between 1 and 22. So the best is to do in the middle because you optimize all the filters. Okay, that's it. Took about 15 minutes, but we are sure it's well adjusted. We optimized the reception. So ready to find its new owner, the President KP44. The next one. Here we have a Dirland Europa 1. It's 40 channel, 4 watts. Looks very nice. I think we also cleaned once before. Only thing I noticed now that the power is good, the reception is good, but the microphone is a bit soft. So I try to increase the audio from the microphone, and that will be it. Okay, that's again more or less 10-15 minutes. Well spent. Optimize receiving. Again, reception is better as it was. And the power you can adjust from 4 to 5 watts. I put the power potentiometer on full, then I adjust the filters. I find out I come up to 5 watts. Then I turn it with the potentiometer so I know all the filters are on maximum. Put it back to 4, so then it's optimized. So we have another one. It is the Premier CB 1000. It is also a compact. It is from around 95 and it's a 40 channels, 4 watts, and it still works fine. It's only a bit dirty, so I'm gonna clean that and then I'll do the final checks. Well, that was just 5 minutes. It is just perfect, so up to the next one. I have here another. It's the Samlex 1000. It's also 40 channel, 4 watts, but look at this. It is the same as our Dirland Europa 1, so I'm not gonna bother you with that. And then we just jump to the Skylines. Okay, I have 2 Skylines. They were already both part units. In one of my other videos I showed you how I made from these 3 the one that I kept in my collection. And now I still have 2, but I still think we can do one good one. So yeah, the casing of this one really looks bad. It is all bended, and so I think this one was thrown on the floor. So this one is going to be the part unit, and this one is still okay. Not too many modifications. Yeah, I see here they try to get some bit more power out of the transmitter. They put here some to adjust. This is terrible. I'm gonna take that out. They try to make the alpha channels, and I like to put this back to standard, and yeah, then we probably get it working again. Okay, we have here the one that looks best. At least has all the buttons, and it just looks good. Well, it doesn't power on, and we did put the plug, so we're gonna check the power supply first. Okay, I was measuring in the input of the transformer if we have power there, so let's try that. We are on AC. Let's see, I need to be careful. Yes, we have 230 on the inside of the transformer. Let's see on the output of the transformer, and on the output of the transformer there is nothing. Let's see here, there is a fuse here. We have 2 volts AC. So it seems that the transformer is broken. Well, we have another one, so that is no problem. Okay, there was just a faulty switch. I was able to clean that. This modification that is done is probably to create alpha channels, but it is sometimes it's transmitting, sometimes it's not transmitting, so I really need to take out that modification and let me see if it's more reliable. And yeah. So that's it. I cleaned it. While cleaning, and I also found that the front of the other one was actually better, so I put that front on. Also, I put a new LED behind the screen because the light, the little lamp was not working, so I just put a hybrid white LED, the little resistor, I think like 800 ohms or something, and it's just bright enough. It would have been better if it was a little diffused, but it's not. But this is what it is. 2 part units into one working one. The transmitter has super good response, so we were able to fix that. So that was CB Saturday. Thank you for watching.